Good morning, everyone. It's kind of early Sunday morning, and I'm here, beard looking rough, with a public service announcement. Bake your bacon. It's right in the name, practically at least. Baking your bacon takes a big chore off your hand for breakfast. It takes a pot off of your stove, and it makes easy cleanup, and you don't have to worry about it. You pop it in the oven. It gets it as crispy or as not crispy as you like. It works on thick cut bacon, thin cut bacon, cheap bacon, expensive bacon. It works perfectly, and you just have to kind of learn what's going to work in your oven. If you've got a convection oven, it's going to go a little faster than if you have a standard oven. But it's going to work much better than doing it on a pan, 3 pieces at a time, or whatever you end up being able to do. And it's going to come out perfectly straight, look like restaurant quality bacon. So it is what you want to do. Bake your bacon. Here we have, once again, our parchment paper. I cannot extol the values of parchment paper enough. This is going to make sure that this cleans up nicely. We don't have to wash the pot except for the pan, except for maybe a quick rinse. The bacon doesn't stick. You've got all your bacon grease if you want to collect that in one tidy little spot. So this is perfect. It's going to go in the oven about 375 for about 15 to 25 minutes, just depending on how crispy or not crispy you want your bacon. Okay, here we have the bacon at about the 10-minute mark. At this point it's probably cooked, but it's probably very floppy. So we do want to give it maybe 5 more minutes or so. We'll check it in just a bit. Okay, here we are at the 15-minute mark. This looks pretty good to me. Alright everyone, here we are with our bacon done. And you can see we've got a nice crispy bacon. The bacon breaks nice and easily. It's super crispy and perfect. So, Easter PSA, bake your bacon.